Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man versus Spider-Man 2099. It's going to be a face-off shot. It's going to be really simple, okay? And step by step. So let's go over it, okay? I'm going to go over here and start with Spider-Man 2099 first, okay? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve right here for the top of the head. Pulling in. Right there for the eye level. Out for the mouth, down. And over here, curve for the back of the head, pulling down. All right, gonna curve underneath here for underneath the chin, back right here for the lower jaw, and we're gonna pull up for the back of the jaw there. Down right here for the throat area. And then right here for the neck right there. All right, that's his head shape. So let's go over here and draw Spider-Man's head shape. More or less, it's just gonna be a mirror. Literally just kind of drawing the exact same shape right there. Forehead. Back of the head over here. Just draw it as close as you can. You don't have to, it don't have to be identical as well, by the way. All right, they're different people. Pulling in, back of the jaw, pulling up, the neck right here. Sorry, that's a throat line right here. Adam's apple pulling down. So we have these two templates, right? And you can put anything you want. You can put Spider-Man, different versions of Spider-Man. So we can make them reverse if we want. But that's kind of like a cool way to start this, to kind of show you that those templates are really important. What I want you to do, by the way, is I want you to hit the like button right now. If you like this kind of stuff, if you like learning how to draw, hit the like button right now. It's going to help the channel move out to more people, and it's just going to help more people out. Right now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into Spider-Man 2099's outfit right there. So I'm going to go over here, line down, up. It's got a little like mark right there at the top. Moving up right here. It's going to pull down just a bit here. Curve down. Like a hook. That's one. Down a bit. Pull out over here. Down like a hook. Up. Down over here like a hook. Up. Down over here like a hook. There you go. This could be 4 right there. Pulling down. And now we're going to pull up. Down, curve, pulling up here, down, up, in, and we're gonna pull that way back down. This shape is almost abstract, right? Kind of reminds me of like a tattoo or something. But that's literally how that shape is, right? As bizarre and maybe almost abstract, you might see it. You can even thicken that shape a little bit to kind of make it more obvious. Normally, there's a thick coating of black shadow over the face, but this is just kind of what occurs right there. Down right here, pulling downward, pulling right there. Right on. And what you could do is throw like some dark right here underneath the throat to show that there is like a regular light source coming from somewhere, right? You could throw a line here for the other side of the neck. Line here. Doesn't really have to do that, but we got the basics down right here, and that's kind of all you really need, and that's the cool part about this. Curve underneath. All right, let's go over here and draw Spider-Man. We're gonna go over here, curve right there for that top of that eye. Pulling over here, it's gonna be like a U shape on this one. And they're gonna connect up there. After this, I want you to immediately darken, like thicken that line out. Just thicken that line out. Right on. I'm gonna go over here, draw a circle for the center of the design. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start pulling thinner lines right there. By thinner, I mean I'm not going to put as much weight down, right? Don't forget, if you want to be able to control your lines, if you want to learn more, go and take the beginner drawing course on sketchingeasy.com. It is an, like right here, like right now I'm pulling it all out. Like that's the sun, right? Like they're pulling out like a ray. Don't forget to hit basically the beginner design course is designed for somebody who has just learned drawing, who just found drawing. Maybe you have shaky lines, maybe you have issues with your lines. Absolutely take that course. It's so simple. Go over to sketchingeasy.com, click on the dragon. It's a beginner drawing course that is perfect for anybody who's starting, and it's going to get a lot of these stuff, a lot of these kind of things that people struggle with for years out of the way immediately, and that's kind of why I made it. I'm going to go over here now around the neck, and I'm literally going to make it a checkerboard. Literally, it's just going to be straight right there. Boom, boom, boom. That part's going to be a checkerboard. I'm also going to add the shadow down here, like I added on the other side. And I'm going to go over here, curve, curve, curve. And I'm drawing this, like the webbing, right? It's just going to be this slightly curving in shapes right here. Curving in over here. Right on. And there you go. You have Spider-Man versus Spider-Man 2099. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found it relatively simple. What I want you to do is I want you to say hi to me in the comments section if you made it this far. I'm going to thicken this line a little bit here. I want you to say hi to me in the comments. It's always fun to do that. I'll reply to every single comment. That is a promise. Every single comment, I will reply to it. So just let me know. And that's pretty much the end of it. Everything else wise, you guys can always say hi to me. Like I guess, if you ever want to communicate with me, absolutely ask me a question. If you have any requests, ask me a question. I take requests all the time, and I do pretty much all of them. If there's something I haven't drawn, let me know, and I will draw it and put it into the playlist, okay? The playlists over here are very important. Check those out. I thank you very much, and I'll talk to you in the next video, okay? See you soon.